Alright, so I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and setup on this Dyna-Glo Pro forcible air heater that I got from Home Depot. Costs about $100, and I got an extra 2 years warranty through Home Depot for an additional $12. So this thing says that it could cover up to 1350s on the square footage. It works on liquid propane, and it comes with the hose and the heater itself. Here, let me get a knife. Let's open this up really quick, see how it works. Alright, let's set this down right quick. Alright, here's the unit. You get a manual with it and the hose. Alright, so we're gonna do this for now. Set this off to the side. Let's go ahead and take the bag off of it. The primary purpose of this thing for me is basically I have a 24 by 24 garage, as you can see. It is not insulated. I live in Michigan and it gets pretty cold over here, and sometimes I work on cars. This is actually a car I'm working on right now. It's a 2005 Jaguar S-Type R, and it had a dent over here that I fixed, and the bumper. But anyway, back to this thing. So it looks like it has an adjuster over here, right here in the front. You unscrew it, you can actually adjust this thing higher or lower. Doesn't go much, but I think it's pretty cool. Then you have this switch, so that's an off position, and you got the low mode, and the low mode starts at 30,000 BTU, and the very high mode is up to 60,000 BTU. So let's turn it off. Okay, let's grab the manual. Probably won't need that, but anyway. This is where you hook up the hose. Just remove the cap. Back hose. Take it out. Alright. You get a pretty long hose with this thing. Let me see if it says on the box how long this thing is. If not, I'll take a tape measure and measure it. Doesn't say. So let's uncoil the hose. Let's see how long this thing is. So it is 10 feet. Just shy of 10 feet there. So that's how long this thing is. For those of you that want to know. Now, you don't have to put tape over here, any kind of tape, because you can see this thing is seals. See this, there's a, like, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a rounded off edge over here that will seal into this thing. So you don't gotta put tape on it. Just tighten it up by hand. And then there's my adjustable wrench. Just give it a good, just make sure it's snug. You don't overdo it so you don't. That's it. Okay, so Here it is, brand new. Let's see, you gotta connect, okay, connect this thing. So you connect this to the 110 outlet, then you connect the, just turn the gas clockwise to off, like it is. Let's remove this garbage from here. Okay, turn the gas supply on, which we will, and then it says push in and turn gas control up counterclockwise to low, and that will ignite the burner. So I'm guessing you're gonna have to push it in and hold it down so this thing ignites. So it's keep the control knob depressed for 30 seconds or until the thermocouple warms and allow gas to flow. So you gotta hold that press. So back to off. Got this thing. Let's go here. So I'm just going to be using the this is just a propane tank off my grill. See, my grill uses the outer threads on this thing to on the tank to supply the gas, but on this one it has a male connector, so you're going to be using the inside. So make sure you have this too. I think it comes standard with them, but you know, just in case. So put that on here. Okay, and it's reverse thread. The one on the inside is reverse thread, so it's like when you unscrew it, and so when you turn it counterclockwise, it threads in. So just FYI. No big deal, I'm sure you get the hang of it. Alright. I've got that nice and snug in there. Gonna go ahead and open up the gas. Okay. Then I'm gonna plug this unit in. Says turn to low. There you go. Turn this on off. So now let's get let me try to turn this on high. This is high mode. It's a nice little unit. It's not that loud. I bought this because if you look up there, I got a Dayton, that thing right there. That one's huge. I mean, that thing will heat up this garage and probably within 5 minutes. It'll be really, really hot in here, but I gotta find some parts for it. I think the glow on that is messed up, or a solenoid or something.